Yesterday, I started my English practice from the morning. I worked on my reading, grammar, listening, and shadowing. But I had a few more things planned: writing, spelling, speaking practice. Okay, so that's enough for today's studying practice. And I will continue study and I will share with you what I studied during the rest of the evening. So, welcome to part 2. Today I am starting with writing. Yes, today I'm going to work on my writing skill by the help of ChatGPT. At first, I'm going to ask ChatGPT to give me a topic and tell me what should I write about. But I won't ask it to write anything for me. I want to do writing myself. So, and here I use a prompt. And if you want, just comment me, I will send you. Okay, so this is the prompt that I use, and ChatGPT gave me a topic. Okay, the topic is a day I would like to experience again. So let's try. I am writing down the topic, then I will turn off my phone and write it myself. Okay, I have written that topic in my notebook. Now put my phone aside and write. Sorry. Okay, I have my topic, but before I start writing, I'm going to take a few minutes to think about my ideas. And then I will start writing. Now I am trying my best to put my ideas into words in my notebook. Okay, now I am done. Now I am going to give my writing to ChatGPT and ask it to tell me where I'm making mistake. Okay, so and here I also use a prompt. Paste my notebook's page, and here I write my actual prompt. After checking it, ChatGPT polished my writing. Okay, now I understood where I make mistake. So I'm going to rewrite it. Okay. Okay, now I have understood my mistakes. So I am going to rewrite my paragraph myself using what I just learned. Now I'm done with rewrite, and now I'm going to ask ChatGPT to give me score out of 10. Okay, so click a picture of my page. And then upload. ChatGPT gave me 8. You see, 8. So I'm done with my writing skill. Now move on to the next practice, English practice. Okay. Now look at the weather. It's raining outside, and the sunlight is almost gone. Now I have to find another place to record my rest of the video. Now I'm going to do some mirror practice. And let me tell you, mirror practice is actually very helpful because it allows you to practice speaking while looking at yourself. Just like I am talking with another person. And it also helped me to work on my eye contact and confidence and body language while speaking in English. So I'm going to talk about everything I did today. So let's start. Okay, let's start. I wake up at around 6 o'clock this morning, and the first thing I did after getting up was make my bed. And then I brush my teeth and freshen up. After that, I changed my clothes and get ready for the day. After getting ready, it's time for my tuition classes. So I spent some time to teaching my student. And once my tuition classes were over, I had my breakfast. And after that, I sat down to work on my English practice video. Today, I'm working on my writing skill. I wrote for a while because I want to become more comfortable expressing my thought in English. And after that, I finished some of my pending work. Then I had my lunch and took some rest. And now, or sorry, and in the evening, I post a long video on my YouTube channel, English with Sathi. And now I'm doing my mirror practice. So, yeah, I'm already done quite a lot today. I think it wasn't perfect, but that's exactly why I am practicing. So, yeah, I'm done my mirror practice, and now let's move on to my another English practice. Okay? So I think I have done enough serious practice. Now I need some entertainment. But let's make it English related. So I'm going to listen my favorite English song. Mm, let me show you. Cheap Thrills by Sia, and I love this song. It's so energetic, and whenever I listen these songs, I feel happy. So let's listen. Now I am listening to the song and paying attention to the pronunciation. Then I will practice singing along. Come on, turn the radio on. It's Friday night and I don't belong. Gotta do my hair, put my makeup on. It's Friday night and I don't belong. Till I hit the dance floor, hit the dance floor. I got all I need. No, I ain't got cash, I ain't got cash, but I got you, baby. Baby, I don't need dollar bills to have for tonight. Baby, I don't need dollar bills to have for tonight. Okay, I think that's it for today's second part. I did my writing practice, mirror practice, and I also listened one of my favorite English songs. And I really enjoyed today's English practice. And I hope you enjoyed watching it too. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure you like and subscribe to my channel. And if you want to see more video like more English related video, make sure you stay connected with me. So thank you for watching. I will see you in the next video. Till then, keep learning, keep growing. Bye.